Hi and welcome to Mosmatic here in Brisbane, Australia. Today we're looking at how to change a seal kit properly on a 90-degree boom swivel. Whether you have a set boom, a straight boom or even a dual boom, the 90-degree swivel with part number 40019 is always the same. This is what we need to change the seal kit. The seal kit tool with part number V-1346, the actual seal kit with part number 40.502, a pick, a brush, a rag, some grease and a cleaner. The easiest way to open the swivel is use a hard surface and tap the stem on there. Take the hollow bolt out to have direct access to the seals. The first what I usually do is I look at this body and I use my finger and just feel the inner surfaces on both sides to make sure that there are no grooves. If you feel any grooves, this swivel is compromised and you need to replace the whole swivel. If there is no grooves, there's a good chance that we can repair this. The same thing with the hollow bolt. I'm just feel the surfaces here, the metal surfaces, to see if I've got any resistance. If that's not the case, we can go ahead and take all the existing O-rings and backup rings out. I use this pick and start with the first one. After I removed all the O-rings, I'll go ahead and clean it. I use some cleaner and a rag and start cleaning. I'll make sure that I get into every single groove to get rid of all the debris and residue and old grease. And I'll do exactly the same with the body. Make sure that all these surfaces are clean as well. Now it's time to put the new O-rings and backup rings onto the hollow bolt. We specially made this tool to put the O-rings over the hollow bolt without damaging them during assembly. Then if I would go over these grooves and damage the O-rings, I would have a leaking swivel straight away again. Let me show you how to do it. So you get this tool, and to get to the right spot where my first O-ring goes onto that first groove, I'm using this screw there to get to the right spot. Second one is I'll go and put this first O-ring there, and I'm using this white bit to just push that first O-ring into the right spot. Using the same tool again. This time need to go a little bit further back, and this time it's the white ring. Again, I'm just pushing this along and it jumps into the right spot. Second one or the third one is the O-ring again. And I'll push this in. And basically I repeat that for the other side as well. Before we put this back into the housing, we use some grease and grease up all the O-rings. And I'll do exactly the same on the body. Now there is only one correct way where this goes in, and a good indicator is that little cut ring there. It's not existing on this side, but only on that side. So that's where I go in with my hollow bolt, and then just carefully push this one in until I'm all the way down. And now that's our re-kitted 90-degree boom swivel. In the description below you find the part number of the seal kit and the tool I used today. If you got any product inquiries, questions, please reach out to our existing dealers or to us directly by visiting mosmatic.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.